Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can post someone else's TikTok video to your story. So if you want to share someone else's TikTok video directly to your TikTok story, you can just watch the simple steps on this video. So first, you can just find the video that you want to share. So open the TikTok application and find the video that you want to post. Here I'm going to find the video first. Okay, let's say I want to upload this one to my story. You can just tap on the share icon, the arrow icon here, so in the right side of the screen. Okay, I think this one cannot be posted on story, so I'm going to just find another one. Let's say this one. Okay, now you can just in the share menu, you can just look for the options add to story, this one. Tap on it and TikTok will open a story editing screen. This one. Now you can, if you want to, you can add tags, stickers or facts to personalize it. Here, for example, I'm going to add stickers. Okay, I'm going to just add this arrow sticker like this. And now you can just adjust also the video size or placement if needed. And after this, you can just click on add to story. Now the TikTok video will appear in your story for your followers to see. If you want to see it again, just click on it. And this is the story. But what if you don't see the story options like I show you before? There's this the video that doesn't show the story option. So maybe the owner is not or is restricted, so some videos may have sharing restricted by the creator, so you can just find other videos that you can share. And you need to also make sure that your TikTok app is up to date, and if the option is missing, you can also try using the download features and re-uploading it manually. So that's all from me guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you think so, don't forget to click on the thumbs up icon, leave a comment, and also click on the thanks button below. Bye!